Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to change DNS for your mobile connection now. First, check your Android version. Android 9 and above supports private DNS natively, so make sure you're on a compatible release. Next, note the DNS servers you want to use, write them down or copy them into a note. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet. This is where you'll make the change, so don't pause. Proceed to Private DNS or APN depending on your device. You'll now apply the DNS. On Android 9 or newer, tap Private DNS, choose Private DNS Provider Hostname, and paste the provider hostname like 1.1.1.1. Cloudflare DNS. Save and exit. If your phone is older, edit the APN. Open Mobile Network Access Point names, select your APN, then modify DNS1 and DNS2 fields to the IPs you prepared. If the APN won't save, install a trusted DNS changer app and grant the necessary permissions to redirect DNS for mobile data. Finish by toggling mobile data off and on, or reboot the phone to ensure the new DNS is active. Then test. Load a website, and if you want, use a DNS leak checker or a simple ping to verify domain resolution uses the new server. If things fail, disable private DNS or restore the APN settings you backed up, then reattempt with a different DNS provider. Sometimes carriers or misconfigured host names block resolution. If problems persist, clear browser cache or remove VPNs and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.